Okay, guys, these markets are really wild. We're watching at the stocks right now, and it's incredible. All markets are really volatile. Okay, so we're still managing to make the templates, guys, because all these systems have different volumes. Okay, so still working on the setup, but it's gonna be ready for this week. Okay, so correlation is working very well, guys. I think if you add this to your trading arsenal, okay, so and the thing is, the
Short
beauty is
signal spy.
that you can have the audio. Okay, the audio will tell you if we have correlation. Okay, so you can correlate,
Short signal Aapl.
Apple with
Short signal
everything,
Aapl.
Short
everything you
signal
can,
yes.
whatever you think is possible to correlate, you can do it. Remember, if you correlate Apple with four other stocks that are related, that you think that are very well related, and you hear a correlation dot on Apple, you already know that there's six more or five more stocks that are going your way. Okay, so if you add the power
Long
shares, the
signal and
QQ,
Q.
you add another stack of
Long
instruments.
signal and
You can
Q.
combine futures. You can combine forex pairs. You can combine stock and whatever you like, guys, whatever you like. It's unlimited what you can do, so you can make good decisions. Okay, so it's very important when you hear all these correlations say fire up, you'll be aware, because these guys are in a rush, are pushing. Okay, so everything is very visual. Okay, so this is not intended, guys, for we never created this system to be a millionaire or something. It's just to help you,
Short signal and Q.
replace your 9 to 5 job, so you can have you can replace it with trading. Okay,
Long
I would
signal
not
and
encourage you
Q.
put your money on the line. You can go to any funded program. There's like 10 or 12 now. There's all over the place, and you can trade without that emotion of you losing your money and all that. So uh, that's what I wanted to show you, guys. Still working over here. Like I said, I put this little indicator that tells you which instrument is it.
Short
Okay,
signal
so
Tesla.
it will tell you the bar size and everything that you're using, so you can put this workspace in another monitor. Okay, so that way you can still watch it and see or if you're trading stocks, you can watch the workspace from
Long signal and
futures. Okay,
Q.
so or if you're trading futures, you can watch the workspace from the stocks. So that way you can watch everything. You can everything is possible. So what you see
Long
here
signal
is
spy.
the dots will tell you if the market is correlating up or whatever, and you gotta be careful, because this volume is unusual. Okay, so
Long signal
here
and
it's
Q.
not unusual to see 100,000 stocks played at a time, 200,000, 400,000. You will never see that volume on future. So it's a different ball
Long
game over
signal
here.
and
it's,
Q.
it's different, but it's very powerful. I do believe it's very powerful, because you see the time and sales kids over here. It's always pushing bullish, but over here it's not. So you need to be careful with that, and there's a lot of clues that you can
Short
use in your
signal and
favor.
Q.
Like I always say, guys, day trading is never easy, and it will never be easy. Okay, these algorithms
Long
are
signal and
are
Q.
are behaving like
Long
everything. They want to take everybody's money, and at these speeds it's very difficult to trade, because you never know when they're gonna reverse it or continue. Okay, so the main problem is when the market hesitates. Okay, and you are in a losing position, for example, and from God knows where comes a big push, and you start losing a lot of money.
Long
So
signal and
always use
long
your
signal
stops,
and Q.
guys.
Long
Never go at
signal ES.
market. Always use limit orders, okay? Or you can trade over here with this app with stocks. You can trade options, okay? Options from futures or stock options or the weeklies.
Long signal
There's so many
ES.
things that you can do, guys. There's many things. So I just wanted to demonstrate you this, guys. Okay, if you're interested in the system, guys, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. You can call me by Skype or whatever, any consultation that you may have or a concern or a question. I'm always available, guys, always.
Long signal and Q. 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 Short signal. Short signal and Q. Short signal and short signal SPY. Short signal and Q. Short signal and Q. Short signal Tesla. Short signal Tesla. Short short signal and short signal and Q. Short signal ES. Short signal and Q. Short signal and Q. Short signal ES. Short signal and Q. Short signal and Q. Short signal and Q. Short signal Aapl. Short signal NQ. Short signal NQ.